interquartile range of group data. Alright, in group data, how do we find range? Is equals to midpoint of highest class minus the midpoint of lower class. Then for the first quartile and third quartile, there's a formula for two of these. Alright? So for the first quartile, Q1 is equal to LQ1 plus N over 4 minus F over FQ1 multiply C, where LQ1 is the lower boundary of Q1 classes. Lower boundary of Q1 class. Then N will be the sum of frequency. F will be the cumulative frequency just before Q1 class. And FQ1 will be frequency of Q1 class. C will be the size of a Q1 class. Alright, whereas for third quartile, Q3, this is a Q. Q3 is equal to LQ3 plus 3N over 4 minus F over FQ3 multiply C, where LQ3 is lower boundary of Q3 class, third quartile class, alright? And same sum of the frequency, meaning total frequencies. F will be the cumulative frequency just before Q3 class, alright? In first quartile, the F is equals to the cumulative frequency just before Q1. In third quartile, Q3, F is equals to cumulative frequency just before Q3 class. Alright? Then FQ3. Small FQ3 will be the frequency of Q3 class. And C is the size of Q3 class. Let's look at these questions. Given by the questions, this is the distribution of the height of a young durian tree. Alright, we are asked to find the range and interquartile range. Okay, first of all, let us just look for the range first. Range is equal to the midpoint of the highest class. Alright? Since this is a group data, we use the midpoint minus the midpoint of the lowest class. So, which one is the highest class? It's over here. 120 until 124, alright? So, midpoint will be 120 plus 124 divided by 2 minus lowest class 85 plus 89 divided by 2. So this will be 122 minus this will be 87. So 122 minus 87 will be 35 cm. So the range for these questions will be 35 cm. Next, let's look for the interquartile range. So before we jump into the interquartile range, we find out the cumulative frequency for each of the classes first. Alright? Cumulative frequency. So 4 is 4. 4 plus 14 is 18. 18 plus 21 is 39. 39 plus 34 is 73. 73 plus 61 will be 134. 134 plus 44 will be 178. 178 plus 15 will be 193. 193 plus 70 plus 7 is 200. Right? These are the cumulative frequency for each of the classes. Now, we look for the Q1 classes and the Q3 class. Alright? So Q1 class is equal to T n divided by 4. N is the total frequency, which is 200. So 200 divided by 4 is 50. So T 50. Then Q3 class is T3n plus over 4 is equal to n is 200. So 3 multiplied 200, 600 divided by 4 will be 150. T 150. T 150. So T50 is over here. This is Q1 class. Q3 class is T150. T150 over here. This is Q3 class. Alright? Then now let's look for the Q1. So what is the formula to look for? First quartile. So it will be LQ1 plus n over 4 minus f over FQ1 bracket C. Alright? This is the LQ1 is the lower boundary of Q1 class. So lower boundary of Q1 class is, how do we get it? It's like 100 plus 99 divided by 2 is 99.5. Alright? So the lower boundary for Q1 class is 99.5 plus n. N is 200. So 200 divided by 4 minus f. F is the cumulative frequency before Q1 class, meaning this one, 39, right? So this will be 39 over FQ1. FQ1 is a frequency of Q1 class, meaning this one, 34. Multiply C. C is a class size. So 100, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. So the class size is 5. Multiply by 5. So this will be 99.5 plus 200 divided by 4 minus 39 divided by 34 multiply 5. We get 1.618 over here. Then plus 99.5. Get 101.12 cm. So this will be the Q1 for this question, the first one, first interquartile. Then let's look for Q3. So what is the Q3 formula? Is LQ3 plus 3n over 4 minus f minus over FQ3 multiplied by C. So LQ3, lower boundary of Q3 class, which is 110 plus 109 over 2, which is 109.5. Okay, the lower boundary of Q3 class is 109.5 plus 3n over 4, meaning 3 multiplied n is 200, 600. 600 divided by 4 is over here, 150. Minus f, cumulative frequency before Q3 class, meaning this one. Q3 class is over here. Cumulative frequency before Q3 class is 134. divide frequency of Q3 class, which is here 44, divided by 44. Then the class size. So 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. So 5. This will be 109.5 plus 150 minus 134 divided by 44 multiplied by 5. So it's 1.818. So add up together we can get 109.5. We get 111.318 cm. Right? So the Q3 is 111.318 cm. Q1 is 101.12 cm. Then the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 is 111.318 minus 101.12. How much you get? 111.318 minus 101.12, we get 10.198. Alright? If you have any questions regarding this subtopic, feel free to comment below this video and we will further explain.